What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge Chrysler Jeep and Ram in Ventura, and today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2022 Honda Accord Sport. This car comes in a Sonic Gray Pearl exterior color and a black cloth leather seat trim interior. This car only has 13,885 miles and equipped with a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged VTEC engine and a CVT Automatic transmission. This car is a one-owner clean CarFax and still under factory warranty, and equipped with a lot of cool features such as front dual AC zone, remote keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, adaptive cruise control, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 19-inch alloy wheels, 8-speaker sound system, and much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge Chrysler Jeep and Ram in Ventura, and you just took a look at a pre-owned 2022 Honda Accord Sport. Thank you so much and have a great day.